Danny Boudreau here from naturalmattressfinder.com. Super excited today to show you the latex tree plantation that I've uncovered here in central Brazil in the state of Pernambuco. So right here I'm in the middle of the plantation. Here you see the rows of trees that are being harvested. You see that the bark is cut into in a diagonal pattern here to expose the sap. This is a wonderful experience. So this is the primary material that's used in the production of natural latex foam. From here, the sap is gathered and brought to a facility where it's filtered, and then it's cooked into various products. One of those products is natural latex foam. The foam is frothed up and mixed up with a few stabilizing ingredients and baked into a wonderful resilient foam for a natural latex mattress. So Danny Boudreau signing off here from central Brazil, state of Pernambuco, and I just wanted to share this wonderful experience with you. Hope you have a wonderful sleep tonight. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I will see you on the next video.